What's going on, guys? Isaac Blake here. In today's video, we got the bumper finally repainted, and we also got the quarter panels repainted. I'll show you guys that in a second. But in this video, we are going to be installing the STI fog light cover stickers. Kind of got it set up the way I want it right now. Kind of like that. And then I also need to put back in my radar detector and my cob. This car's driving by. See, I kind of set up to where I want it. They repainted the whole thing, fog light covers. There's like some other stuff. I'll show you guys that. But like the final product will look a lot better. But there's obviously we have the fog light covers off. But yeah, we got it kind of lined up how we want it. I'll put the radar detector back in. We got the cob as well. And then also we're going to get E85 here pretty soon. Very soon. What was it? Like a rabbit or some shit. Rabbit? Oh, yeah. Dude, where'd it go? It's over there. You can see the leaves moving. Wait. Go on that side. Yeah, yeah. Oh, he's right there. Oh, he's inside the pipe. He's in the pipe? Yes. He's inside the drain tile. Wait, ready? Ready?
Don't kick it out towards me. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Where is it?
Dude, I got him pinned.
Where is it?
He like ran and came here.
Oh, can't go nowhere.
Oh. Shit. Oh, he's right there. I see him in there.
What is it?
It's like a chipmunk or something. Okay, well, I'm gonna go on this side and let him run out.
Stay there. Hold on. Like crocodile.
Oh shit. He's gonna come run after me. Oh, he's right there. Ow! Also, another beautiful day here in Minnesota. I think it's like 60, 70 degrees out, pretty sunny. Pretty good night for a drive though. What do you say, Blake?
I just got buzzed by a bee.
Kind of clean it off. I'm just using some quick detailer mist and wipe. Just kind of want to clean it up a little bit before we put the stickers on. Oh, no bubbles or anything. Got a lot of bugs on there, so I want to get those out. But yeah, these guys did a very good job of painting the front bumper, and especially the fog light covers too. They did a pretty good job. So pretty happy with the result. We'll get some pictures and a little montage later on. We'll get some dope ass pictures and a cool montage coming up soon. We'll use we're gonna Coke got on it. But we'll I was gonna say we're gonna can't think. We're gonna use the GoPro for a montage soon and do some roller clips and do some montages somewhere. We have some areas that are close to here that we can do some pretty cool shots. So yeah, so look forward to that. That's gonna be really fun. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead, put the stickers on. Yeah. Let's see if we can get this on. We're good to go. Using the letters written. Sweet. Wow, that actually looks pretty damn good. Oh yeah, that's nice.
Damn. Cars coming together. Ooh.
All right, so next we're gonna do the license plate. I'm probably just gonna put it on the right side here. Yeah, right side, and then I'll just later on maybe I'll buy a Cobb, Grimspeed, or a Perrin. One of those delete fog light, or not fog light, delete license plate things and kind of screw it in there. The white lettering looks pretty cool, but yeah, let's take this off. Oh, yep. All right.
Damn.
Okay. Yeah, I like that. I'm gonna get a Cobb or a Grimspeed for sure. I got a Grimspeed sticker there, 2 Cobbs on the side. Our final product looks really nice. I really need to fix that space though. I'm probably gonna get the Cobb one, the Grimspeed one, like I was saying earlier, but these stickers look super nice and the car just looks amazing right now with the new paint and the new stickers we got. Just everything's coming together. All right, so there's a cop over there. I don't know if you can see the lights. Yeah, you can see the lights. We're trying to take some cool pictures right now. We moved the license plate and everything.
Dude, we just barely missed the frickin' sunset.
Yeah, we just barely missed it. Actually, look at this on cam. Actually looks kind of decent on cam.
Yeah, it looks pretty dope.
But in person it looks a lot darker. But yeah, we got the it looks insane.
Yeah, it looks really good.
It looks really good.
Yeah,
I like that.
Stickers on.
I got the stickers on. She looks really good. I got so many bugs though. Got the badge on, obviously. I want to get that Cobb or a Grim Speed, you know, license plate thing. Got a license plate up there. Yeah, so she's looking fucking mint. Sparkle rims. Yeah. Yeah, there's a cop over there and we don't want to make him mad, so we'll probably set out now. Do some cruise clips. I don't know. We'll find something to do. It's a pretty nice night, so yeah. Let's go for a cruise.
Yes, sir.
And before we go, we actually got second location. The last shot was just up the road there. We're at, what park are we at? Do you remember?
Dude, I have not. Ritter Lake?
I think it's, yeah, it was something like this. Riddler's Lake Park, something like that. But it's got like a little, like, I don't know, swamp pond area. But we kind of missed the sunset, but car's looking sassy. But that's our second spot, and we'll probably go cruise right now. I'll give you guys some clips here. Going fishing. All right, let's get to the cruise. Yeah, we stopped at the gas station, got some gas, and she is looking mint. Gotta wipe those off. Yeah, I had to wipe out the windshield a little bit, but I'm gonna let Blake drive because I haven't let him drive in a while. So I'm gonna let him drive, and oh my gosh, it's Kobe. We found Kobe. We found Kobe. What's up, Kobe? All right, Blake's gonna start up for you guys.
Oh, shit.
First time driving.
Not really. It's just...
That guy's looking right at us. He's like, what was that?
Oh my gosh. Crap.
It's okay, Blake, don't worry. He's driven this thing before a while ago. It was like last year, but
Holy fuck! This thing's so much faster than last year. Holy fuck me! That's crazy.
and we're only on 15 pounds right now.
Yeah, and I'm not even like getting on it. I thought that was a cop up there.
Yeah, that's true. So how you enjoy it?
Yeah, I love it. I love it.
He's gonna like
trading cars, dude.
he's gonna like tucking through these corners because he took the fun way, but I'll give you guys a little snippet in a little bit, but for now we're signing off.
This is the nice one too.
Yeah, no, this is a nice one, just got paved. Blake is enjoying himself with the car,
Yeah.
but pretty nice night. He's gonna do a little pull up this hill.
It's old. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, dude.
All right, so I'm gonna stand outside the car. I'm gonna watch Blake do a little pull for you guys. We're gonna go on this road right here, and he's gonna come around here, so gonna watch him do a little pull for you. I honestly have never sat outside the car and see someone do a pull. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. That was insane. Can you Gosh, that sounds insane. Gee. Dude, that was insane.
I love this car, man.
Dude, I've never been outside the car when someone's did a pull.
Yeah?
And that was insane, dude.
Yeah, dude.
The first one, you're like, pop, pop. Like, whoa, holy crap. These lights are super cool. We want to try and get a picture here sometime, but it's kind of hard in the middle of the road.
Fine, one more. One more. Okay.
Oh.
Hey, I said.
Okay. I also got in the mail the Cobb license plate delete. I'm gonna open this up. I can feel it in there. And there's some. I think I got 2 more Cobb stickers. Without further ado, let's put the Cobb license plate delete on a Subaru. Yeah, I didn't even realize this thing's metal. Like, this thing's like hard metal, which is kind of cool. But yeah, I'm gonna put this thing right on there. All right, so we got the Cobb license plate delete thing on there. It looks really good, actually. I really like the way this thing looks. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below some other ideas you guys want us to do in the future. And I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to stay tuned because we have E85 coming for the Subaru here in the next couple weeks. So that video should be out, in probably 2 or 3 weeks, hopefully. That's going to be crazy. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys. See ya.